Hi everyone, this is Diana from Sweet and Savory, and in today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a delicious loaded potato soup, which is perfect for autumn and perfect for winter. I'm going to leave you the link for that recipe in the info box below, but you can also find it at sweetysalado.com/en. To make this soup, we're going to start by cooking some bacon in a large pot over medium heat until it's golden brown and crispy. Once it's cooked, we're going to remove it from the pot and we're just going to drain it over some paper towels and then put it aside. Now, if you want, this is optional, we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of butter into the pot. Now we're going to add chopped onion and we're going to cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then of course we're going to add some chopped garlic and we're going to cook this for about a minute or so. To this we're going to add some flour. We're going to be making a roux so that our soup gets really nice and thick. And we're going to cook this until we no longer see any flour and our onions have that consistency of oatmeal. As for the potatoes, I love using Yukon Gold for this recipe. You can also use russet potatoes. We're going to cut them into very small pieces and then we're just going to mix them well with the onions. Now we're going to add some chicken stock, which is what I'd like to use. You can also use chicken broth or vegetable stock if that's what you like. To make it really creamy, I like to use a combination of whole milk and heavy cream, but that is completely optional. Another great ingredient that goes into this soup is some chili powder. I love using it. This is completely optional, but it really gives it a nice flavor. And then of course, we're going to season it with salt and pepper to taste. We're going to give this a final stir. Then we're going to cover the pot and simmer this over medium-low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. Once the potatoes are done, we're going to blend the soup either with a handheld blender or in a regular blender, and you can make it as chunky or as smooth as you want. Now we're going to add some sour cream. You can either add it directly to the soup or you can serve it on the side. And now we're going to add some of that delicious bacon that we cooked earlier and we're going to reserve some of it for garnishing. To serve the soup, you can place a little bit of grated cheddar on top with some bacon and some green onion or chives if you want. And that's your recipe for making a loaded potato soup. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media. And if you want to check out more delicious recipes, you can visit sweetysalado.com/en.